Welcome to the Infomaniac channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's go! The 21st century. We are on the verge of a new era in space exploration, the era of space tourism. What was once the exclusive domain of highly trained astronauts and government-funded programs is rapidly becoming an industry accessible to civilians. The impossible has become achievable as private companies invest billions in advanced technology, reusable rockets, and innovative spacecraft designs. The dream of experiencing the wonders of space travel is no longer limited to the pages of science fiction novels. Today, this is a tangible reality, fueled by the ambitions of visionary entrepreneurs, advanced technologies, and a growing public enthusiasm for going beyond the borders of our planet. The final frontier, once a distant whisper, now beckons us closer, inviting us to untie our earthly bonds and embark on an adventure unlike any other. While SpaceX sets its sights on the red planet, another titan of the space industry, Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, offers a different yet equally compelling space tourism experience. Blue Origin's focus is on suborbital flights, providing passengers with a taste of space and a glimpse of Earth's curvature against the blackness of the cosmos. Their new Shepard capsule, named after Alan Shepard, the first American in space, is designed to carry 6 passengers on a short but unforgettable journey beyond the Kármán line, the internationally recognized boundary of space. The experience of a Blue Origin flight is one of both exhilaration and tranquility. Passengers are treated to a swift ascent, reaching speeds exceeding Mach 3, before experiencing a few minutes of weightlessness at the apex of their journey. The panoramic windows of the new Shepard capsule offer breathtaking views of Earth below, a swirling tapestry of blue, green, and white set against the infinite blackness of space. This glimpse of our planet from such a unique vantage point is often described as awe-inspiring and humbling, evoking a profound sense of perspective known as the overview effect. This cognitive shift, often reported by astronauts, is characterized by a deep appreciation for the fragility of our planet and a renewed sense of interconnectedness with all life on Earth. Blue Origin's mission, in their own words, is to build a road to space so that our children can build the future, highlighting their belief that making space accessible is essential for inspiring future generations and fostering innovation. Embarking on a space tourism adventure is not a decision made lightly. It's a commitment that requires significant preparation, both physically and mentally. Before even setting foot in a spacecraft, aspiring space tourists undergo rigorous training programs designed to equip them with the knowledge and skills necessary to handle the challenges of spaceflight. These programs, often lasting several weeks, are a far cry from a casual weekend getaway. They are immersive experiences that test the limits of human endurance and push individuals to confront their fears and limitations. One of the most crucial aspects of spaceflight preparation is G-force acclimation. As spacecraft ascend through the atmosphere, passengers experience intense gravitational forces that can cause dizziness, blackouts, and even loss of consciousness. To prepare for these extreme conditions, trainees are subjected to centrifuge training, a dizzying experience that simulates the G-forces encountered during launch and re-entry. Strapped into a rotating arm, trainees experience forces several times that of Earth's gravity, pushing their bodies to the limit and preparing them for the physical demands of spaceflight. Beyond the physical challenges, space tourist training also emphasizes mental resilience and adaptability. Aspiring astronauts spend hours in simulators, honing their skills in a variety of emergency scenarios, from spacecraft malfunctions to emergency landings. They learn to operate life support systems, communicate effectively with mission control, and work together as a team in high-pressure situations. This rigorous training ensures that space tourists are not merely passive passengers, but active participants in their journey, equipped to handle any unforeseen challenges that may arise. But preparation for space travel goes beyond technical skills and emergency protocols. It also involves a profound shift in perspective. Trainees are encouraged to contemplate the magnitude of their journey, the fragility of our planet, and the awe-inspiring vastness of the cosmos. They learn about the history of space exploration, the science behind spaceflight, and the potential for human expansion beyond Earth. This holistic approach to training ensures that space tourists are not merely prepared for the physical journey, but also for the transformative experience of seeing our world from a completely new perspective. After weeks of rigorous training, the moment of truth arrives. Strapped into their seats, anticipation crackles in the air as the countdown begins. The roar of the engines vibrates through the spacecraft, building in intensity until, with a blinding flash and a deafening boom, they are launched skyward, leaving Earth behind. The force of acceleration pins them to their seats, a physical manifestation of the immense power propelling them upwards, towards the black inkiness of space. As they ascend, the sky transforms from a familiar blue to a deep indigo, then fades into the blackness of space, dotted with the brilliance of a million stars. The feeling of weightlessness washes over them, a sensation both liberating and disorienting. They are free from the constraints of gravity, able to float effortlessly through the cabin, their bodies moving in ways that defy earthly physics. The world outside the windows shrinks below, continents and oceans morphing into a breathtaking panorama, a swirling tapestry of blues, greens, and whites set against the backdrop of the cosmos. The experience of gazing upon Earth from space, often described as the overview effect, is profoundly moving. It evokes a deep sense of awe and wonder, a humbling reminder of our planet's fragility and interconnectedness. The sight of our world, a vibrant oasis suspended in the vastness of space, inspires a profound sense of responsibility for its well-being. It is a perspective-altering experience that transcends borders, cultures, and beliefs, fostering a sense of global citizenship and a shared commitment to protecting our pale blue dot. But the journey is not solely defined by breathtaking views and profound introspection. There's a playful, childlike joy in experiencing weightlessness. Simple tasks, like eating or drinking, become adventures in microgravity. Water droplets dance and shimmer in the air, forming perfect spheres that float effortlessly before them. The mundane transforms into the magical, a testament to the extraordinary nature of their surroundings. Every moment is a sensory feast, a reminder that they are no longer bound by the limitations of Earth. The experience of space tourism is, without a doubt, extraordinary. It's a journey of a lifetime, a chance to push the boundaries of human experience and witness the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet and the cosmos. But this once-in-a-lifetime adventure comes at a price, a hefty one to be precise. With current estimates ranging from hundreds of thousands to tens of millions of dollars per seat, space tourism remains an exclusive club, accessible only to the ultra-wealthy. The exorbitant cost of space tourism is a reflection of the immense technological challenges and financial investments required to make such journeys possible. Developing and launching spacecraft, ensuring passenger safety, and conducting rigorous training programs all contribute to the high price tag. While companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are actively working to reduce the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to a wider audience, it remains a luxury reserved for a select few. They envision a future where space travel is not just a luxury, but a catalyst for human expansion, fostering collaboration, inspiring future generations, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Space tourism comes with inherent risks. Despite advancements, spaceflight remains complex and dangerous. The cosmos leaves little room for error, and minor malfunctions can be catastrophic. Launch failures are a significant risk, with rockets being incredibly complex machines. Even minor malfunctions can lead to catastrophic failures. Space tourists face hazards like cosmic radiation, increasing cancer risks. Prolonged exposure to microgravity can lead to muscle atrophy and bone density loss. The isolation and confinement of spaceflight can affect mental health. Addressing these challenges is crucial for the well-being of space tourists. The allure of space travel must be tempered with awareness of potential dangers. Space tourism comes with a significant environmental cost. The quest to explore the cosmos leaves a carbon footprint. Rocket launches release greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. Some companies are exploring alternative propulsion systems, but challenges remain. Rocket launches also contribute to space debris, posing collision risks. The development of space tourism infrastructure impacts local ecosystems. Construction activities can disrupt wildlife habitats and fragment landscapes. The environmental impact extends beyond launch sites, adding to the carbon footprint. Mitigating its impact on Earth is essential for responsible exploration. The ultimate dream remains setting foot on another celestial body. The Moon is a prime destination for future space tourists. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin plan to establish lunar bases. Imagine stepping onto the Moon's surface, Earth a distant blue marble. The Moon's landscape offers endless opportunities for exploration. Guided tours could take tourists to iconic locations like the Apollo 11 site. Lunar infrastructure development could lead to permanent settlements. The Moon could become a place where people live, work, and raise families. Lunar tourism is becoming a tangible reality. The experience promises to be awe-inspiring and transformative. The journey of space tourism, from the first tentative steps of private spaceflight to the ambitious visions of orbiting hotels and lunar expeditions, marks a profound shift in our relationship with the cosmos. What was once a distant realm reserved for highly trained astronauts and government-funded missions is steadily evolving into a frontier accessible to civilians, driven by technological innovation, entrepreneurial spirit, and an enduring human fascination with exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, driven by curiosity, a thirst for adventure, and the pursuit of scientific discovery, we are embarking on a new era of exploration. one that holds the potential to reshape our understanding of our place in the universe and inspire generations to come. It promises a future where the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet, viewed from the unique vantage point of space, fosters a deeper appreciation for its fragility and interconnectedness. It offers a glimpse of a future where humanity, united by a shared sense of wonder and purpose, reaches beyond the confines of Earth to explore new frontiers, unlock scientific mysteries, and build a more sustainable and equitable future among the stars. As the boundaries of what is possible continue to expand, so too does our potential to create a future where the wonders of space are no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality, accessible to all who dare to reach for the stars.